second year of the program, you will go into in-depth studying of the portraiture and portraiture with hands with live model. You will learn about the anatomy structure of the human head, facial parts, proportions of the main modules. You will explore portraiture from different angles and discover all the key points according to the constructive method. You will work both in drawing with tone and in painting technique, learning not only about the head, but also about the hands. The course will provide detailed explanation on how to build the volume, understand and show perspective correctly, and how to depict three-dimensionality of the head and the hands. The program will as well include the copy practice of the artworks of Old Master.